Hey everyone, we'll be actually looking at some differentiation skills. It's going to be a very basic one before we actually move on to more specific types of differentiation skills like your trigonometry, your exponential, your logarithms. But for now, it's just the basics one, and we'll just be mainly doing it with algebraic expressions. So we all know that differentiation is kind of like comparing the gradient of a graph. And let's say we have y equals to x, right? We know that the gradient is 1, and therefore the derivative, the first derivative of y equals to x would be 1. If y is a constant k, let's say k is a real number, okay, we all know that if y equals to k, the graph is just one straight line, one straight horizontal line, and therefore the graph has a gradient of 0. There's clearly no gradient, there's no rate of change. And therefore, we know that the gradient of any constant is 0. So this, we have already illustrated, these two examples. Of course, we could always extend this to, let's say, any kx, the gradient is also k, therefore the first derivative is also k. And even if you add a constant, let's say plus any constant h, where h is also a real number, the derivative is also k because the gradient is k. K is any real number, so it's either positive or negative. H, similarly for h is either positive or negative as well. And yeah, so these are the basics for differentiation.